Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're about to improve a boy's photos fast. First, sign into your Google account and open Gemini Photo. This connects cloud features. Once done, grant camera and storage permissions so edits save locally and to backup. Next, pick the photos you want to edit. Choose 1 to 10 images to keep changes consistent. Make sure faces are visible. The app uses facial detection to propose fixes. Now tap the first photo to begin the automated suggestions and manual controls. Now refine the edits. Start with Auto Enhance to get a baseline improvement because it corrects exposure and color balance automatically. Then switch to Portrait mode to soften background and improve skin detail. Gemini's AI keeps natural texture. You should tweak exposure, warmth, and skin tone sliders to match the boy's natural look and increase sharpness modestly for eyes. If clutter distracts, use the Remove Objects tool and paint over the area. The app fills in content smartly. Review at 100% before saving. Finish by exporting. Choose original quality or high-quality JPEG depending on use, and always keep a copy of the original in case you need to revert. Once saved, share directly or batch export multiple photos to keep consistent edits. If you see artifacts or unnatural skin tones, revert the last change, reduce aggressive sliders like clarity or warmth, and reapply subtle adjustments. That usually fixes overprocessing. If Remove Objects created issues, use Redo or slightly paint a smaller area and reapply the fill.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.